Nandurbar district is in the northwest corner of Maharashtra state. Due to major portion of the district having hilly terrain and forest cover, tribal population are scattered, district is lagging behind in terms of development. It is lowest in Human Development Index. Many issues like remoteness, illiteracy, constant migration have adversely affected the development of the district. As the transformation of aspirational district program was launched in January 2018 by Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji, Nandurbar district was one of the 4 districts from the state and it ranked 105th in the initial stage. In the last 2 years, the district had made progress of around 21% in various indicators of Niti Aayog. Ignorance and poverty lead to high rate of malnourishment in the district. The district administration trying to overcome this through nutritional program and special campaign. Even in the remote areas, Anganwadi Tai deliver nutritious food by boat. Efforts are being made to provide better facilities to Anganwadis. Work has been undertaken for construction of 430 new Anganwadi building. The district administration has set a target to have a separate building for each Anganwadi center in near future. Every year, special screening is done to find out malnourished children which are treated later on at nutritional rehabilitation center or at child treatment center. Emphasis is being laid on the development of infrastructure in the district. The district had given a target of more than 1 lakh under the Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana. Till date, more than 63,000 families have got their rightful home. For this, Maha Awas Abhiyan has been undertaken to provide houses for all the needy families. Under Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana, 150 km of roads in 27 roadless habitations were constructed in last 3 years. Since most of them are in remote areas, it helps people of these areas to connect with the city. Also, more than 71,000 new electric connections were given under Saubhagya Yojana. The public distribution system has been made more efficient. About 40,000 citizens were newly included in the lockdown period due to corona crisis. Along with the previous beneficiaries, despite the remoteness and hilly terrain and scattered population, there is a continuous supply of food grains to more than 12 lakh beneficiaries in the district. Efforts has been made to give quality education in remote area. Solar power projects have been approved for 693 schools. Renovation of 500 school buildings were carried out. By Maharashtra Technology Board had approved 310 schools for setting virtual classrooms. District administration is trying his best to give all schools their Pakka classroom building in near future. 17 out of 32 ashram schools in the district have got ISO standard certificate. Efforts are also underway to certify the rest of the ashram schools by improving facilities. Efforts are also being made to impart quality education through Eklavya Residential English Schools. The central kitchen building has been instrumental in providing fresh food to the ashram schools. Better health facilities are being made in tribal areas. The work of an eye hospital building and blood bank has been completed. 5 new dialysis machines have been made available. An oxygen generation plant with capacity of 125 jumbo cylinders has been set up to overcome the difficulties encountered in supplying oxygen to the patient. The RT-PCR lab, which was set up in record time of 1 month, the administration succeeded in controlling COVID-19 infection by giving high-flow nasal cannula machines, ventilators, necessary material for COVID care centers and medicine. During the corona crisis, the building of the women's hospital was completed expeditiously. The approval received to start a medical college this year will definitely help in important for strengthening health facilities. The availability of CT scan machines has made it possible to provide free services to poor patients. The work of Trauma Care Center at Nawapur is in the final stage. The emphasis is also being laid on strengthening the primary health centers. Construction of 8 primary health center and sub-center buildings is underway. The work of Shahada Rural Hospital is also nearing completion. The 65 padas which are on the banks of Narmada River, health services are provided by using boat ambulances. Also, newly 10 bike ambulances has been taken to provide health care in remote areas. This year, under CSR funds, 14 new additional ambulances has been made available for corona crisis. While many people lost their jobs due to corona crisis, under Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Schemes, employment provided to 64,000 citizens. Till date, around 70 crore of funds has been distributed during the crisis. Priority is also given for development of agroforestry by using DM Fellowship Scheme. This will definitely provide employment to the locals in the next 3 years and will help in reducing the migration. Also, work of the new building of the district planning committee useful for planning and development of the district is in final stage. Sincere efforts are being made to take the district on the path of development through various development schemes. More emphasis has been placed on the creation of infrastructure. The development of district has gained momentum by joint efforts of central government, state, public representative administration and people. As a result, we are hopeful Nandurbar district will definitely succeed in fulfilling the dream of Honorable Prime Minister. Thank you.